Hey, my money making friends, I'm excited to share this with you all today because I want to get you more money. And today I'm going to talk about the employee retention tax credit, which is free money, basically like a stimulus check for business owners that did some great things in 2020 and 2021. So here's the outline for this video. First, I'm going to talk about what is the employee retention tax credit. Second, I'm going to talk about who qualifies for the tax credit. The third point I'm going to address is how much money your business can get with this tax credit. Fourth, I'm going to share with you who can help you get this money. And lastly, for the fifth point, I'm going to share with you step by step what you need to do in order to get this tax credit. So the employee retention tax credit is a refundable tax credit given to business owners for keeping employees during the government shutdowns in 2020 and 2021. And so if you were able to keep employees on payroll during this time, the government has set aside money for you. It's kind of like a stimulus check for businesses. And I don't know about you, but having some free checks coming in was pretty nice. And so this is available for your business. And you can find the specific details about this tax credit in section 2301 in the CARES Act. So now let's move on to who can qualify for the ERC. First off, you need to have kept an employee on payroll for at least 1 quarter between Q2 of 2020 and Q3 of 2021. So at least 1 quarter, you needed to have an employee on payroll. And so secondly, you need to show that your business has been negatively impacted. And there's 3 different ways that you can show this negative impact. First off, did your revenue decrease in 2020 or 2021 relative to 2019 before the government shutdowns? If your revenue did decline, you need to look at by how much. And so to qualify in 2020, your revenue needed to decrease by 50%. But in 2021, you just have to show a 20% decline in revenue. And this is in relation to 2019 revenue. And this by far, if you can show revenue reductions in your business, this is the easiest way to show that your business qualifies for this money. Additional ways that you can show that your business qualifies is if there was a partial or full suspension of your business or you had supply chain disruptions. Now, let's talk about the good stuff. How much free money can you get for your business? For every employee that you have, you can get up to $26,000. And the way that that breaks down is that $5,000 in 2020 plus $7,000 that you can get across 3 quarters in 2021 brings you to a total of $26,000 that your business could get. And so the total tax credit that you can receive depends on how many employees do you have and how many quarters your business was negatively impacted. And so now that you know about this money that has your name written all over it, I'm going to share with you who can help you step by step in securing this money. And so at the top of my list is the ERC Help Desk. Giving business owners the ERC is what they specialize in. They even say they can give you more money than your CPA. And so whether you go to the ERC Help Desk or you go to your personal CPA, all I want to do is share this chance to get free money with you. How you secure it is up to you. And so the ERC Help Desk has already helped secure over millions of dollars for small business owners. In addition, they charge less than a lot of other competitors out there. If your business meets the revenue loss qualification, then they will only take 15% of the refund that comes your way. If your business qualifies because of supply chain interruptions or prevention of doing business, then they take 20%, which is a little bit more because of the paperwork they have to file. But traditionally, other businesses take about 25%. And so 5% difference in how much money you get back can make a world of difference. And so you have the ERC Help Desk as an option and you have the CPA that you go to. But make sure if your CPA says your business doesn't qualify, double check with the ERC Help Desk because they don't take any money up front. First, take a 2-minute survey to see if you qualify. This could be hundreds of thousands of dollars, and I don't want others to tell you don't qualify if you really do. And you can know in under 2 minutes whether your business qualifies or not by filling out their very quick 2-minute survey. And so for my last and final point, I'm gonna walk you through the steps you can take to get this money. First, you're gonna scroll down in my description and click the ERC Help Desk link. Second, you're gonna land on the ERC Help Desk homepage. Third, you're gonna click see how much you can claim, and there you're gonna enter in how many W-2 employees you had in 2020 and in 2021. For the fourth step, you're gonna fill out a qualification survey. This should take about 20 minutes of your time, but it's gonna be an in-depth look at your business and how you were negatively impacted by the government shutdowns. For the fifth step, they're gonna ask you to send them some documents. Some documents that you'll submit include whether or not you received PPP, your gross receipts, as well as your 941 tax documents. And for the sixth step, an analyst is going to be assigned to your case. They're gonna let you know whether they need additional documents or what additional information they need from you. And then lastly, you're gonna sit back and wait for this tax refund to come your way. And I know from looking at the numbers, it's gonna be a pretty penny. So go out and get this money. Peace, stay building, bye.